Making fresh ground coffee at home is easy with the Cuisinart automatic grind and brew 10-cup thermal coffeemaker. Designed with a powerful blade grinder that automatically grinds beans just before brewing. It does all the work for you with programmable 24-hour brew start, auto off, and 1 to 4 cup setting options. Preset to have a pot of hot, delicious coffee ready first thing in the morning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Urnex Dezcal Citric Acid-Based Coffee and Espresso Machine Descaling Powder. Prevent your coffee machine from clogging and breaking down with this Dezcal Coffee and Espresso Machine Descaling Powder from Urnex. Where hard, thick mineral scale in your hot water tank can ruin the brew temperature of your coffee. Descaling regularly is the perfect solution for achieving consistent beverage results. Citric acid-based, non-toxic and biodegradable, Dezcal Descaling Powder safely removes mineral and lime buildup from your coffee maker. Number 2. ChefWave Stainless Steel Coffee Canister with Co2 Valve Date Tracker 17.6 ounces. When you are using premium coffee beans or grounds, you want to make sure you are taking care of them. This stainless steel container will keep your beans safe by venting harmful gases and sealing out oxygen, ensuring you have the best tasting coffee possible. Number 3. Benefits. The 10-cup double-walled thermal carafe keeps coffee hot and fresh for hours at a time. Number 4. Features. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability. Automatic shutdown, 1 to 4 cup setting. Self-cleaning. Number 5. Versatile. Versatile and simple to use. The automatic grind and brew spare you the trip to the coffee shop. Maximum convenience and fresh, full-bodied flavor assured. Number 6. Preserves freshness. Keeps coffee hot and fresh for hours at a time. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.